What's the meaning of baronial? Baronial. Baronial.
Baronial. Baronial. The word baronial originates from the term baron, which refers to a member of nobility with a high social status. The adjective baronial is used to describe something that is grand, impressive, or regal in appearance or demeanor, such as a baronial estate or a baronial manner of speaking. It often implies a sense of luxury, elegance, and refinement. For example, a baronial hall might have large, ornate windows, high ceilings, and intricate woodwork. Alternatively, a baronial attitude might be characterized by confidence, authority, and a commanding presence. Overall, the word baronial suggests wealth, power, and sophistication.